Good morning and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, drop down below, hit the subscribe button, and while you're at it, don't forget to smash that like button. Today we're going to talk about codominant stem trees, so let's get started. Good morning, everybody. We are dealing with a pine tree that quite unexpectedly failed into the road. What's unique about this tree is it is a codominant stem tree. Codominant stems occur when two trunks grow side by side from a common point out of the ground, each vying for dominance. The problem is over time, a weak union forms due to a lack of strong attachment tissue. The bark enclosed between the two trunks is known as included bark, and this further weakens the union between the two stems. Here's where the problem comes into play. The weak union under the natural forces of growth and gravity can give way, resulting in a sudden and unexpected failure like this one. To lessen the likelihood of something quite disruptive like this, pruning at a young stage or cabling and bracing by a certified arborist can most definitely avert such structural failures. And when you do that, you promote a single robust leader coming out of the ground. That's it for today's video, guys. Always consult a certified arborist to address codominant stem issues. Doing that will ensure the lasting safety and aesthetic appeal of your tree. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.